Get my car for me? Huh? You gonna try? Watch her freak out about the Monopoly. There's 2 fucking Monopolies on the seat. Watch. Huh? Never mind. They're for you to sit on. It's so you can reach the wheel. I need to run the codes on my car and, I don't know, do something to it. Need to make a video on her car too. But today, guys, Shay is going to change the terminals on her car. Because she's got some quick snaps and they have steel in there and they're corroding too easy. I guess the steel and the lead is not good. I don't know what else. Let's see if she can get it away first try. First try. My clutch is tight, so she might not be able to get it. She'll get a second try though. She's used to stock cars everywhere. And I'm in the gravels. Oh, never mind. Not even a jerk. You're good! You're good! We'll see you when she gets there. Alright, so what's up, guys? What are we doing today, babe?
Changing the battery terminals.
Why are we changing them? We have these nice quick connects on here.
Because they're junk. They corrode. They're just pieces of shit.
Look at this one, there's like no corrosion on it. My assumption is that the steel and the lead touching together is making it corrode faster, because you can see everywhere that the steel is touching is corroding, and like right there it's rusty and nasty. If we take this off, this is the biggest issue. We have to clean it every week. It's getting old. I cleaned it the other week, so last weekend, so it's kind of clean right now, but it's a pain in the ass. You can see all the corrosion. So we're just going to put some stock top post coated terminals on there from your local Advanced Auto Parts. Hopefully they work. And I really like these, but they're not working for some reason. We could probably just squirt some of this this battery protection terminal dirt and corrosion free stuff on it, but let's just change them. The bottom. So what do we need?
A half inch.
A what?
A half inch.
I'm gonna take this nut off right here. Turn it around. Turn it around.
What the fuck?
There you go. No, back.
Holy dick, dude. Is that the right way?
Let me see.
Am I tightening it? Which way do I pull it? My way?
Oh, sure. Oh, yeah, I guess.
Fuck, man. I was going the wrong way. I thought something was wrong.
You did that on purpose. You were testing YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Make sure they were paying attention. You're gonna have to get your wire brush out so we can.
It's right there.
You can probably take it off there and get your channel lost down there.
Hold on. Look at
I
that.
hit my head on this. It's fine.
It's crusty.
Enough. It's coming off. You're opening it all the way out?
I don't think it needs to be that fucking big.
Probably not, but
Well, like,
one more.
like
That's
that.
all right. Just break it loose, and you should be able to take it off with your hand. Throw it on the ground. Alright, let's take the other one off. We gotta take that off too, but that's your decision on which one you want to do first.
Doesn't fucking matter. I mean, they both gotta come off.
Do what you're gonna do.
Whoops.
It's probably good.
No, I tighten that all the way down. Cross What is that?
Yeah. If they take the terminal off first, but it's too bad we don't have some Coke left.
Some Coca-Cola.
Got a little Mountain Dew, we'll use that. Coke works way better, guys. Just FYI. Where's the water? How do you feel about that? What's next?
Take the wires out.
Your wrench is right here.
The wrench don't fit.
You don't?
No, it don't fit.
Should. What about your other one? Smaller?
Fuck
What about
it,
the other
dude.
one? Probably too big, aren't you?
Yeah, it's
Then maybe it's a 12? Or 11? Here, try one of these. I'm pretty sure it's a 12. I'm probably wrong. Probably should have left it on the battery. Is that the right way?
I don't fucking know.
What's wrong?
Huh?
What's wrong? The battery acid getting you?
Yeah, it's eating me up.
Here. You want a ratchet?
I need something to get off there.
Weak it. It's a very weak.
I gotta put it back on the battery.
Here, get the 11 off her.
What? Why can't it come off? What you do to it?
I don't do nothing.
You said put it off there.
Let's pull it off. They just come off, don't they?
No, they don't. It looks like a trick or something.
Pull one of the other ones off.
Why the fuck won't that one come off? What's wrong with it?
Here, hold this, I'll get it off.
Some kind of trick or something you
It's
gotta
a
do.
trick.
Yes, there
You
is.
just gotta yank it. Grasp it.
There's something you gotta press.
Sweet. Oh, we're sticking what's wrong with it.
Look, you can't even get it off.
I ripped it off the whole thing. Let me go get a flat head. I can probably just see your head.
You're mean.
You want to try to screw it off here?
I don't know. Probably stabbed myself in the hand. Taking me to the hospital. What's wrong with it?
It's rusty.
Put some WD-40 on it.
Yeah, that's this thing.
Put some creeping oil on it. Oh my god, look how fucking crusty it is. Here, take this. Oh, meters
I
are
need to
so
leave this
nice.
thing up before I put it back on there.
Yeah, it's fucking going there.
Let's see, you try to get out there. You want to grab it with that rag? So you don't feel like you're getting acid on you, even though you're not.
Terrible.
Is it on loosen?
I don't know.
Loosens towards the other way.
God, how do you change this thing? Like this?
There you go.
I think that's.
There you go.
Did I break
Broke
it? Broke something. What did I break?
Oh, man.
Something fell off.
I don't see anything. I think it's just a piece of plastic, the negative plastic thing. That's wrapped around it.
Mm.
Pull it. Yank it. Harder.
Pop it! Bang it! Bonk it.
Squeeze it. Take the screwdriver, stick it under there, and crack it loose.
So rusty.
Yeah,
Been here for
yank
a
out.
bazillion years.
Get one good. That's still good. We'll save it for later.
Save it for after dinner dessert. You can eat the rest right off of it. Gnaw it right off there. Whoops.
Pop it. Squeeze it.
There she can. Busted off everything else.
Your finger in it.
No. What are you doing? Can I maybe listen outside? Maybe listen. Watch out.
What the hell?
Yeah, I'm supposed to
You
listen.
think it's done already yet?
Yeah.
Looks pretty.
I don't fucking know, dude. Look at that rusty ass wires in there, man. That thing's a piece of crap. Don't recommend you buy
That is a
those.
Dodge Neon new problem though, is their wires are junk, kinda. The battery wire, and it loses connection. Whoa, blurry. Alright, pop us some new ones out here. We need to clean those up though. I don't know how you can do that there.
What?
You might be able to scratch over that thing a little bit.
What, the wire?
Yeah. Grab it with your rag. Think it's working?
Uh-huh. Probably not.
It's a Coca-Cola. It's lit, fam. Hold up. Grab it.
What's that one?
You might want to grab with the channel locks and twist them apart. See if anything falls out of it. You know what I mean?
No.
Grab those and squeeze it.
What do you
See
mean?
if any dust comes out of it.
Do this?
Do the other one. That one looks worse. You feel anything?
Wires? How am I supposed to feel?
See they put like a string fence down there?
What?
String fence.
What the fuck? For what?
You're not gonna do the...
No, that one's pretty. Look, that one's clean. That might have a little crust on it.
Yeah, that one wasn't like the quick connect. Maybe it was just a quick connect.
Yeah, 'cause that's what I had a problem with.
We'll be right back. And we're back. So now, that we took a little bathroom break, we're gonna put these terminals on. So open up your terminals.
I wonder if I should take that thing into the inside.
Huh?
I should take that thing in the inside. This
You
thing.
can if you want. Prime it up. She's gonna prime her terminal up, guys. Get the lead nice and coarse, so I can get a nice, good connection. That's probably good. That's nice and scratched up. Lead's pretty thin. Now you want to loosen these up. This is the hardest part. I guess you do want to put that on there first, so you know where your wires will fit to, if they'll even fit. If we don't have to splice them. Know what I mean? There's no way we'll be able to put them back where the stock location is. Just imagine having to put it all the way over here.
Maybe if I
Or
had my right size battery in there.
That's what I'm saying. If your terminal was over here, do you think it's gonna fit?
No, why not?
See, this one's gotta be like this. This one to fit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm like recording it all the way over there. You can't have it nice and straight. It won't fit.
Gotta have it cockeyed.
I wish we could have like a circle thing that we could put on here.
You don't have one?
No, I was trying to buy them yesterday. You told me I didn't need them.
What?
I was trying to buy them yesterday. You told
What
me
are you
I didn't need
talking
them. I forget where we were at Walmart. You said you don't need them, Joe.
I didn't.
I swear.
No.
I told you it's 11.
You didn't tell me anything.
Freaking matter for yourself? I gotta fix my car too. I'm a piece of shit. What you guys think about the wheelie video? We got some nice wheelies. What's wrong?
Ouch!
Cut yourself so bad.
Terrible. Tetanus shot. I had one.
Take this away out.
I think I did. I already had a tetanus shot when we had the accident. Fucking
Sorry,
gave me
guys.
one. Tetanus. What are you doing?
Get a tetanus clean.
Alright. Why'd you want to twist them?
Don't twist what?
My wires, dude. Then what happened? They was stuck together.
Really wasn't, huh?
Yes, they was.
You
How'd you put them in
dropped it.
there? You shove them there together?
Shove the bigger one in first.
This one?
Yeah. Then jam the little tiny one in.
Oh god, this is definitely not gonna work. Joe, you gotta twist them or something how you did.
No, it just can't be twisted like that. It's not right. It's gonna hurt you.
Well then, why don't you help?
Just jam it in there.
You can't!
Yes, you can. The hole is big enough. Slide this one all the way over. Now slide that one in there. Just jab it in. Just twist it together. Don't twist too hard. Don't want to twist your fingers off. Now jab it in there. Nice and slow. Nice and
I can
slow.
see.
Be easy with it.
You do it, Jamie.
Here.
So very easily, like you so think.
It'll be okay in the end. Now you need a ratchet to tap.
I have one.
There, you got it. You think you can handle that yourself?
Yeah. Is it loosen?
There you go. You're getting the hang of it now.
What are you doing? You recording my hair?
It's POV.
Oh goodness, it hurts my eyes. I can't look at that.
Point of view.
It made my eyes hurt trying to watch it like that.
Huh?
It made my eyes hurt trying to watch it like that.
You
weird.
have to work on it through the camera. I do it sometimes.
I would
it's
fuck
hard.
up sometimes, probably.
Try to work on your car using the camera challenge, guys.
Whoa.
Just change your battery terminals. It's good enough. You can't fuck too much up. You gotta look at the camera.
I can't.
Look at the camera. We're trying. I switch bolts. That's probably tight enough. You don't want to tighten that too tight. It's still cheating. That's good. You don't want to get too tight.
Just darn, you said that already.
Oh, you forgot to put your stuff on there. I guess we'll just put it on this post.
That's where it's supposed to go, ain't it?
I guess. You could just jam it all over everything. Alright, let's get your other one. Taking poop? You like them shirts, guys? Sure. That Neon Racing. Not even that neon, but whatever. I was gonna say that Neon Channel Racing. We can get those made. Oh, yeah, you did it right.
What?
You did it right.
What are you talking about?
You loosened it before you put it in here.
Dude.
See that, guys? Little Shaler's Tech Tips. We brought Shaler's Tech Tips back. If you guys remember the old videos, there was Shaler Tech Tips. She used to always give us tips when she was working on her car, but she stopped.
Yeah, I
Quit
quit
that
that
kind.
kind. Quit that kind. Terrible.
You gotta put it on the rod first.
Huh?
The post.
No, I could just shove it in there, couldn't I?
I don't know. That's up to you. Or just jam it in there. Still hurt yourself.
Like that.
There you go.
I can't see.
That's all?
that's
You had it,
right.
right? What'd you loosen?
I don't know. Something in my brain. Imagine it. Fuck, look, dude.
Whoa!
I guess I gotta put it on there.
Makes your life a little easier.
It's not gonna shock me, is it though?
What? You're good. Then you gotta shock you. It's only 12 volts.
But it might make me piss my pants. Maybe I should put
9 volt barely hurts your tongue. Just do it. It's fine.
If I
Once
get
you get
shocked,
it in there, you're good.
I'm gonna be pissed.
I get shocked because I have metal bars.
Off and put it on there. Got me shaking.
You're shaking?
Yeah. So I don't want to get it electrocuted. I fucking can't see.
Good. Let me put it all the way in there first. I'll be right back. Redneck Ridge. I remember one of my old videos, someone told me that I was the kind of guy who should drive a truck. And he's like, you shouldn't have a Neon, you should have a truck. Yeah, a truck. But I don't like trucks.
It's embarrassing. It wouldn't be so bad. You could probably put on the terminal. It wouldn't be so bad. It wasn't that bright ass
That
orange.
needs tightened up. It's good. It's good. You can tighten less once you get it tightened down on hand.
But I need to put the cream on it.
Wipe your nut all over there. Use your rag.
I don't even think I took the...
Use what?
Yeah. We'll be in 20 minutes. What? We're already 20 minutes in. Oh, no rag at all. Just bare fingers. Just probably didn't use your teeth. Bite a hole in it right there. Hole in it.
Is that jelly? Does it have a bite?
It's jam.
Finger it.
I put it on there.
Both of them.
Hold on, I didn't even scratch it out. Didn't even
Yeah.
scratch it out.
Put that one
I'm
there.
about to lose it. Oh my goodness. Almost lost it. Did you see that?
That's good.
Let's slow that down super slow.
Oh
Name of the
shit, our
video,
dogs are
Shave
gonna
Fingers at
starve
Post.
because we didn't get to get good dog food yet.
No,
What time is it?
they don't need food.
Yeah, Muppy's breakfast for you.
Very non-sexual.
Fuck. Fuck something up. She scared me. Don't do that.
You know, wipe your finger off.
Thought I was gonna get electrocuted or something.
Then you gotta take care of the red one while you got fingered up already.
Oh, I want to tighten that one down.
It looks like it's really loose.
I need to tighten it down, I said.
I know, but it might not tighten down.
Why the hell not? Look at all that big gap it has.
I know.
Or you want me to do this one?
Let me help her tighten this black one down. We'll be back. Guys, we got that one on there. Just remember to keep your a wrench on this side because these lead battery terminals are just so shitty. They break so easy. Now we're gonna finger up this red one.
Let me scrub this real quick.
This is one. Let me see. Hurry up, finger it up. So gross. I think get some on that wire after you're done fingering the inside.
Good enough? Goodness gracious.
One more. Are you using the right one? Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, yeah. So she got her terminal fixed. Now she got to reset her radio.
Yep. It takes me forever. Because I can't never get it to sound just perfect on the speakers. Sometimes I get it to sound just perfect. And sometimes I can't fucking ever get it.
That's her main reason for changing these terminals. She's tired of resetting her fucking radio every week.
And getting in the car in the fucking mornings to go to work early as shit and the fucker won't start.
Put your old ones in there.
I'm out there banging on it.